Hello guys, I took this trade just this morning. Now let's analyze the market. What actually happened was that first, when I came into the market, I saw this movement to the downside. And it came up, it came down, and it went up. What happened here? First, it changed character here, and it broke this trend line. That was my major target. So after breaking the trend line, I was expecting this market to come back because it not just broke with one candle, it broke with a lot of candles and came down to retest this conjunction. After retesting this conjunction, I quickly hop into the market. Yeah, so I enter this market. Imagine now, take a look. Let me zoom it out for you. If you look at this place where this market broke the structure, gave some kind of anyway, where this market broke out. After this market broke out of this place, it came back to test this other block and it continued going up. What happened? It came down again this time around to test again this other block and it started going up. Let me confirm it to you. Yeah, this other block that caused that this sell to buy, this sell to buy, sell to buy. Look at it. It came right inside the sell to buy. If you notice it very well, the market did what it normally used to do. Let me zoom it. I want you to understand what I'm talking about. So this is it. Yeah, let me bring this one down a bit. Okay, right inside this place, you see liquidity sweep. Yeah, liquidity sweep and a continuation to the upside. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is it. This is the 1 minute time frame. Look at it very well. This dark spot that I draw, the market came down. It did as usual. Look at it, came down and came up, then retest the low and started movement upward. Now, how did I pick this trade? I was with one of my mentee. I told him what I'll be waiting for in this market. Let me go back to 15 minutes time frame. Is I look at this trend line now. Then I haven't drawn this trend line. I said, can you see the market? The market is trending. First, I was having just this one trend line, just this one, this particular one. So I was like, are you seeing the market trending? I said, why I've not even entered the market? I said because I didn't trend it well based on I'm using my mobile phone. That in my PC, I've already trained it, but as I'm seeing it now, this market is set to reverse. He said, how did I know? I said, look at the trend now. The trend has correlated already. Look at it. That was when I draw that trend. At the moment I draw the trend, I said, okay, I think it's time I pick this trade. I enter the trade here. I enter the trade here. I enter it here, expecting this market to come all the way up to break this level with a body candle closed above. How did I get all this region for an entry? Because this is what they call EOI, some we call it zone. Zone is the place they need to trade. How did I get it? Now let's go to the daily time frame. This market for a couple of weeks it has been trending up. What actually happened was that as soon as the market got to this spot, I also have the record of this trade from here. As soon as the market got to this spot, it created some sign that, guys, I cannot longer go up again. I just have to go down to retest some level here before I will continue my movement downward. Guys, was like, this market cannot come all the way to the downside, because as you can see here, we've already changed character here. We have broken structure here, and here we have broken structure again for this particular movement. We have broken structure also. What was I then anticipating? If this market want to retrace back before it will continue its movement upward, what it should do, I have to zoom out and start looking for where exactly can I pick this market from, knowing fully well that after the market has run something like this and it comes up, come down, we will certainly go back up again. Yeah, to go back up again to continue its movement upward. So I was like, what do I do? What do I do? I started looking for where to cash this trade. Yes. So that was when I go to the 15 minutes time frame and plot my trend line. You see this trend line? You see the trend line? I plot this trend line the moment I saw the market entering into this POI. Yeah, because this is where I just want to take trade. Anything other than this place, I don't want to take trade on it. So the first entry for this trade was a no. So it was a loss. I have to wait again for the trend line to be broken. What happened? The trade came back here and it started going up. So as soon as it started going up, I was like, what is happening here? What is happening here? It came here, created this high, and before this high, what happened was that I also drew another trend line somewhere here. Broke the trend line, was like, something is about happening. It came down, it didn't break this low. I said, I think an entry is coming. I was waiting for this trend line to be confirmed. That was when we get this one, two, three. So I told that my mentee that the moment I get the third support, I'm going to enter the trade. So since there was no trend line here, with my with me looking at the trade, I was like, this thing is already at the support level. I trended invisibly with my own eyes without drawing the trend line. That this thing was already at the support level. So that was when I took my buy. Yeah, that is what you need to learn. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and come and learn for free. That is, we take you from where you are now to where exactly you want to be. Like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Come and learn for free. Our mentorship is open. The choice is yours. Help us to spread this video to as many that want to learn forex trading for free. At least you can do us that good, even if you don't want to be part of the family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class.